As we're planning our spring garden, if you're looking for a new selection of plants to incorporate and something new to try, why not look at Vanessa verbena? We are here in front of a gorgeous display of Vanessa verbena. These are compact flowering plants that are great in the spring all the way through the fall. Look at the abundance and the flower power that you see here. We've got this light pink, we've got this neon pink that I just love. That one just sticks out in the landscape. There's burgundies and purples, there's a lime, a pure white, a red, just about any color that you're looking for. And these are great. The pollinators love them. They form in clusters, these flower clusters. And what's so great about these is that they have that trailing mounding habit. So these make an excellent addition to rock gardens, to line the beds, front of your landscape beds, to create a border. You can also utilize these in hanging baskets because they have that compact trailing habit. Now, these don't have a lot of maintenance. It's a good idea to fertilize in the spring. We can encourage new blooms by pinching out any faded blooms, but these are just abundant, profuse bloomers in all sorts of different colors. They will do well in hanging baskets because of that trailing compact growth habit. Space them about 15 to 18 inches apart, and they're only going to get to be about 8 to 10 inches in height. So if you're looking for a nice flowering ground cover for full sun, look for Vanessa verbena. For Get It Growing, I'm Heather Kirk-Ballard with the LSU AgCenter.